Welcome to a NodeXL Graph Gallery review, a report on ASA 15. Hello, Chicago! Sociologists are descending on the Windy City for the annual conference. Today, we'll be mapping the hashtag ASA15. The maps you'll see here today can be found in the NodeXL Graph Gallery at nodexlgraphgallery.org. You can find me on the web fairly easily. I'm Mark Smith, Director of the Social Media Research Foundation. Many sociologists are in Chicago, and while they're there, mobile phones in hand, many of them are tweeting. There are so many tweets, it would be nice to get an overview of what's happening at the conference. Perhaps what's missing is this, a simple and easy to use point-and-shoot camera for social media. At the Social Media Research Foundation, we're building NodeXL, the simple-to-use, easy add-in for Excel that allows you to take a picture of a crowd in social media. A collection of these maps can be found at nodexlgraphgallery.org. And this morning we added a number of maps about ASA 15. Let's go take a look. Here's an overview of the NodeXL Graph Gallery. It has a number of maps for a variety of topics. We'll drill in and take a look at ASA 15. ASA 15, or ASA 2015, is a large and dense map with many people. It creates a series of neighborhoods or communities that are mostly focused on a broadcast pattern in which a single user is at the hub and many spokes surround it. This map shows 2,991 users over an 8-day period. And in that time period, the following people were among the most influential. In network theory terms, these are the people with the highest betweenness centrality. We could zoom in on a smaller time slice. This is just ASA 15 or ASA 2015 for the last day and a half. So it's just the 24th and 25th of August now. This changes the lineup a little bit. For one thing, we now have about 1,180 people over the day and about 3/4 of a day from the 24th through the 25th. And some of the top contributors are now slightly different. Again, these are people ranked by their betweenness centrality, not by their follower count, and not by their tweet count, and not by their retweet count. These are the people who are at the center of the network. Related hashtags can be identified. Most of them have to do with session numbers, and one topic is online dating. Each of the sub-communities, however, have their own top topics. Let's go take a look up at the top of the graph again. You can see these words at the top of each cluster. This is defining the topics used most frequently by the people in that group. For more details, come and visit us at nodexlgraphgallery.org or come to connectedaction.net and request a sample map. Hit the request button and just tell us what map you'd like, and we'll make you one and send one via email. Thanks so much for the interest. We look forward to helping you get insights into social networks.